Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like, share and subscribe La Educator. Today our topic of chemistry is basic character of oxides and their trends. Metals. Metals oxides are basic in character as they form base in water. So basically the oxides of metals are basic in character. Basic in character mean when they are dissolved in water, they form bases. Non-metal oxides are acidic in character as they form acids in water. So the oxides of non-metals are acidic in character because when we dissolve non-metal oxides in water, they form acids. Now what are acids and bases? Acid and bases are measured from pH scale. You can see the pH scale here. pH scale is from 0 to number 14. As you can see here, each number represents different color. When we dip pH paper in any material, for example, here some materials are given, that is battery, stomach acid, lemon, soda, tomato, coffee, milk, water, blood, egg white, stomach, ammonia solution, soap, bleach, drain cleaner. So when we dip pH paper in any one of them, the color of pH paper changes. Then we match that color with this color scale. The number representing the color represent the acidic, basic or neutral character of that object. From 0 to 6, objects are acidic. Acidic objects have pH from 0 to 6. Basic objects have pH from 8 to 14. That is also known as alkaline. 7 is the neutral pH. So the metal oxide form basic oxide, are basic in character, and the non-metal oxides are acidic in character. Basic character of oxides. Basic character of oxide decreases as we move along a period. This shows decrease in metallic character. So when we move along a period, the basic character of these oxides, metal oxides, decreases. As you can see in this table, third period is shown that consists of sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. When we move along a period, you can see sodium form Na2O, magnesium MgO, aluminium Al2O3, silicon SiO2, phosphorus P4O10, sulfur SO2 and chlorine Cl2O7. These are oxides of third group elements. These are all are metals. These all are not metals because you can see sodium and magnesium and aluminium are metals and the metallic character decreases as you move along a period. So nature of their oxide, when we see sodium oxide is strongly basic. Oxide of magnesium is basic. Oxide of aluminium is amphoteric. Amphoteric means it has mixed qualities of both acidic and basic. It is in fact in middle of acidic and basic. Oxide of silicon is weakly acidic. Oxide of phosphorus acidic. Oxide of sulfur strongly acidic. And oxide of chlorine is very strongly acidic. So you can see that here it is strongly basic, and as we move along a period, the basic character decreases and then acidic characters increases. So the basic character of metal oxide decreases as we move along a period. Basic character of metal oxides of main group elements increases down the group. When we take main group elements and we see their basic character of this metal oxide, we saw that the basic character of metal oxides of main group element increases down the group. Here you can see this is second group. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. Their oxides are given: beryllium oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, strontium oxide and barium oxide. You can see that basic character of beryllium oxide is less than magnesium oxide. That of magnesium oxide is less than calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is less than strontium oxide, and strontium oxide is less than barium oxide. It means that the basic character of metal oxide is increases as we move down the group. Beryllium oxide is basic character of beryllium oxide is less, and basic character of barium oxide is the most. So the basic character of metal oxide of main group element increases down the group. Now in this topic we have studied that metal oxides are basic in nature and non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. The basic character of metal oxide increases down the group and it decreases along a period. Thank you very much.